Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find someone or match with someone on Bigo Live. Open the Bigo Live and then go to the chat section, which is down below. Click on chat and then go to real match. If you right swipe them or click on love, you will be matched with them. So if you don't want to match with them, just left swipe or click on right. You can see that some people are sitting live. If you press on enter, you will be entered there live. Love for yes and cross for no. This is how you try to match with someone. If both of you click on love or right swipe, then you will be shown that they will be matched and you can go ahead and talk to those persons. So to get a match, just go to real match, right swipe for match and left swipe for cross. You might be lucky and get to date someone this way. This is how you find someone in Bigo Live. I hope the video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.